We include whites, coloreds, blacks.
Oh my god!
What you mean I was on time?
What do you want?
What you mean I was on time?
This guy.
Yeah, this guy what?
I picked Bongz up and he's wearing a t-shirt, whatever. He didn't know that the dress code.
But
smart casual.
that's not my fault though.
Maybe if you read the information.
Think about it like this: when you do the T's and C's, do you read the information?
Got him. We fucking got him.
No. You see, he's discriminating against me just because I have braces. Racism right here.
What?
What's the weather prediction for today, my
Yo.
Full.
Full send.
Let's
Can I
go.
get a yes, sir? Guys, if you need some scamming lessons, Deez is your boy. Boys on tour. Everyone's looking very dapper, but everyone has white shirts besides me, man. I feel very left out right here.
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon.
As you guys can tell, I'm a wine expert.
Stop the cap.
Kylian Mbappe, Olivier Giroud.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
The first one to what?
First one to die, just dies.
The first one to die just dies. Gentlemen, cheers. One shot.
No, mine is too much to have one shot. Fuck.
No man, April. This is a disappointing performance right here, my boy. Hi, boo. No. You used to pop suck, that's why. Bow.
What year is this? 2012. How many months on oak? About 13 months, which is a year and 1 month. Is it natural? The fermentation process is natural.
Oh, wow.
And tell me about your biodiversity. We include whites, coloreds, blacks.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
How's the first stop, J?
I'll tell you, dude, it's low lit.
One of how many? 3. Bro, we're going to 3 wine farms, guys. Please.
3? Yeah. I thought we were done.
This is location number 2. I'm not gonna lie to you, wine is not my forte, but today's a new day, I guess.
If water was beer and I was duck, I'd swim my way down and drink my way up, but water's not a beer and I'm not a duck, so let's drink this wine and get fucked up.
That's the one we're looking for.
Yeah,
That was hard. I can't lie.
Welcome, we are at the Oriel Wine Farm. All the boys right here. Robin's rolling away. Kurt's buzzing, he's trying to hide. John's very drunk.
Yes, sir. Come on, Jack. Gentlemen.
Grab the titty,
That sound.
Yo.
Yeah, you know what time it is.
You know what time it is.
Third wine farm.
Screaming contest. Can you one up that though?
Hold yeah, pour more. Okay, let's down it.
No way you were louder.
Have you seen the hot chicks in this area?
Bro, now you see why.
What the fuck? Are you
Please subscribe so I can get out of the situation.
It's not getting out. Come, let's go, Alex. And bring the brick. What's Robin doing? He's gonna keep the brick. Bring it in his bar.
Yeah. Yes. How is the birthday going, my boy?
We're at the final farm. We're just gonna get some bottles and end it off because we're about to get kicked out.
How you doing?
I'll order
Yeah, that brother's starving.
I broke 2 glasses in one go.
I did break 2 glasses in one go.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
But you know, in this life, things happen, so we charge it to the game. It's not my fault.
One broke 2 glasses.
I was right next to you.
Wine.
No, I charged it to the game.
If I speak, I am in big trouble, and I don't want to be in big trouble.
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice.
You should do with me.
No, you won't. Come now.
None of us offered.
Oh my god!
How are you feeling?
It stabbed me a few times. It stabbed me a few times. Stabbed me a few times.
God have mercy upon us.
Robin, your shirt is torn, bro. Oh my days. Bro.
We at the last wine farm. We're getting kicked out, we go home.
Like, what's the update, bro?
It's just too drunk for me. Yeah.
Too much.
They don't support United.
Oh, who the fuck would support United though? Fuck off. Who with the regular mind? Oh! Okay. Guys! Hold on. Okay, yeah.
Hold on, I need advice. Do I do this?
No.
Or do I...
Good, sir. Thank you so much for the trips. You want to give yourself like a shout out, anything like that?
Thank you. Thank you for your support. That was a lovely ride with you guys. And I see I enjoy my time with you guys. Shout out.
A bit of a post review. We got back from the wine.
I promise, like, and
We got back from the wine farms, 3 wine farms.
As you guys can see,
What are you thinking? Oh, shame. One.
No,
I'll show you some more.
no.
Follow me.
it has to be like a 4 cent, man.
They don't believe us, so I signed into the job.
Okay, hold on. Let me take off the glasses even, bro.
If
Like,
they think tough? Yes, tough.
like guys, like...
When they think tough,